Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today interview question is reversing a string using Java 8 streams. So for this one, let's start a coding. And I just created a class and I just initialized one variable. So the given input is Java and the output should be like this one. Okay, for this one, we will use some predefined methods and functions which is provided by Java 8. Okay, so for this one, first we will create one int stream. IntStream, it is an interface. This is the specialized stream type, and we are using one static method which is part of IntStream. Okay, that is range closed. So, and I am just passing the numbers one to the length of word. So for that one, word dot length. So the word dot length, the length of this word is 4. So now it will generate the integer numbers like 1 to 4. So now we will use dot map to object. So from here, so each element to so okay for each and each mm, at the e, so we will get integers. Now we will word dot caret and we will pass the length of this word, right? So word dot length minus e. So here by using map to object, so we are just getting the numbers whatever we have generated from this int stream range closed. So it will generate the numbers from 1 to 4. So first in the first iteration we will get the 1 over here and we are just getting the character at the this position. Like here we are calculating that integer and the word length of word is 4. So 4 minus the we are getting 1, right, for in the first iteration. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So if we given the indexes like for this word for this input, so index start from 0, right? 0 1 2 3. So here the value is 3. So whatever we are getting at the index position 3, so a, right? So it will get the a. So it will iterate each and that total number generated. So that is it will generate total 4, right? So it will give us like 4 numbers. Okay, 1 to 4. And each and every iteration it will increase the numbers. For at the first position it will iterate with 1 and 2 3 4, right? So when we have 4, so at the time it will be 4 and the word length of this word is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So at that when at the 0 index position we have j, right? So we will get the j. So for this one to at this position we have int type. So now we need to convert all these things to the string. So for that one we will use map method and we are using the method reference over here, string to method reference value of, and it will convert all into the string. So now we need to collect this one and we need to group because the output of this um, till here is it will come as an each and every object like whatever we have collecting. So it will get like, let me just explain bit, um, a comma v comma a comma j. So this is the output till here. So now we need to group together. Like for that one, we'll use collect interface. For that one, we will use collectors joining. Okay, so we have created this. Now we just assign a variable for this one, string reverse word. Okay, so let's just print this one to check the output. reverse string equal, equals to plus reverse word. Okay, let me run this application now and let's see. Yep, here you can see the reverse string. The value as we are expecting, you can see A, this is the fourth index, like a third index, and this is the second index, first index, and zero index. Okay, that's it for today interview question, guys. And if you find this video helpful, please do like and share, subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you have any other thoughts, please do let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video with that topic. Thank you.